Welcome to your new home. I hope you enjoy this tour. Please let me know if you have any questions. Fisherman's Paradise. Assigned boat slips, community boat ramp, boat trailer parking, tiki huts, heated and chilled pool, ample parking, and low maintenance fees. 200 feet wide canal and a 6 feet control depth can accommodate boats up to 50 feet. Extensive repairs from Hurricane Irma are almost finished, including spalling and painting of all buildings. No current or pending assessments. All repairs being paid from insurance settlements. Furnished and ready to go. Includes large inside storage closet for your fishing gear and includes a West Marine kayak and Stykx paddleboard. Just a short walk to Coco Plum Beach.